Let me show you how you can create AI images. Animate these images into videos and then use these videos to lip sync using your voice all in one app. So if you are using DreamFace just to lip sync and then go to other apps to create your images and animate them before coming to DreamFace, you are wasting time and energy because you can do all these actions in DreamFace. Let me show you how. You will start by opening your DreamFace app, and this is the Explore page. So there are three big buttons as you can see at the top. You can lip sync, you can animate your video, and you can create an AI image. So let's start with creating a video. So we are going to click on the big yellow button. Is it yellow or orange? So when you click on it, we come to this interface, and you can create from image to video or text to video. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use an image. I'll use image to video. So I'll click on the image thing and go and select the image I want to use for this tutorial. So when the image is uploaded, down here there are different models here. So when you click on it, you are going to see these different image video generation models. So I'm going to go with the CDance 2.5, which is a recent one. Next, just next to the models, when you click on this, where the arrow is pointing, you can select the duration of your video, you can select the resolution, and you can select the aspect ratio. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to select 5 seconds and then just select 9:16 and continue. Next, I'm going to drop the prompt that I want this image to be animated. So give a detailed description of your prompt so that your video will come out the way you want it. Finally, click on create and then your video will start generating. So we are going to leave it at this point and see it later. Next, we are going to click on image generate, the blue button, and that will bring us to this interface. Below here, it says describe what you want to create. So that is where we are going to click to drop our prompt. So here you can see that you can upload a reference image. So we are just going ahead to upload my reference image by clicking on it. Next, you are going to select your image generation model. So you can see the models down here. Just swipe and look for the one you want to use. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Nano Banana. Also, you can select the aspect ratio by clicking where the arrow is pointing and then select the aspect ratio for your image. Finally, you are going to drop your prompt and then click create. So we are going to give it some time to generate our image, and we are going to pick both the image and the video we created from our profile. So now let's go to our profile. So you come to this interface and click on the profile icon there, and that will bring you here. So you can see the video is ready and the image also is ready. So let's start with the video. So you can see I didn't ask the video to talk, so I just animated it to show movement and talking, like making as if it's talking. Next, let's check on the image we created. So let's click on it. So this is the image, which means you can do everything here. If you want to try this app and you need credit, comment credit, and I'll be dropping a promo code that will give you bonus credits.